Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today is the 29th of October 2018. Why is it so special today? Well, I really didn't record a digital TV video since like 1 month ago, and there's really a very big difference. This is last month's digital TV video. I know I've been really absent. Again, I'm recording some footage to be out like more or less, but you can see here there's big difference. What's the difference, you may ask? Not much actually from last time. The only difference you can see is the bottom one. It instead says that your screen will revert to normal after you have switched to DTV. And for more info, visit the website. Rather, like last time, they won't tell you that it will so-called revert to normal, where you can see for more info, please visit digitaltv.sg. It's more or less the same message, it's just the same thing over and over again. You know, you don't need to see, but you can see I'm just going to spend the next few minutes just showing you, because for some reason just now when I was doing like just the intro, there was a weird glitch just now. Way before you see channel 5, this is channel 8, this is Surya, this is channel U, this is Vasantham. Vasantham recently had a rebrand. If you have known by now, Vasantham rebranded. You can see it's part of their after they did it intentionally on October 20th or 21st when the STV12 the 1 decade of them switching over have kicked in, and etc. But I don't know what happened just now. I'm going to play a footage from just now just to demonstrate. So what happened was that for 1 second, right, I want to tell you this TV wasn't plugged into any it wasn't plugged into any digital TV cable or anything. I only have one in the living room. I don't know what happened just now, but when I was filming the video, when I was switching to Octo, for some reason, right, it shows like the digital fit, as if like specifically, how do I explain this? The DOG, they don't have the analog DOG, they show the digital fit. I'm going to bring up the footage like just about now so you can see. In 3, 2, 1, watch the video. Watch that few seconds and you'll see difference with the digital TV signs. Oh, this is very weird. What the f***? I have to censor that out. Well, this one is so weird. Wait, what? Wait, whoa, this is weird. So yeah, anyway, I really don't know what happened here. I'm still figuring out why this weird glitch happened in Analogue. I mean, like, I'm still curious and stuff. So here's Channel News Asia. I have to actually cut out a few parts just now because I was talking crap, but you can see here breaking news. They have breaking news where they talk about Lion Air flight crashing into a sea, and you can see again there's the same DTV signs, no more no less. That's the StarHub color bars. This is TV1. They also had a pretty recent swap from 4 to 3 to 16 to 9. It's not very obvious, but really they have swapped out. I mean like if you watch TV1 previously, the DOG would stretch like crazy, and then the program will be really awkwardly placed and etc. But obviously it's a copyright show. I'll try not to show them. You can see also not much difference. And yeah, I think that should be it. Like what I said, there'll be more videos that will be coming up about this. It's just a small update. It's just mostly the bottom, where the bottom text was modified a bit to reflect it. But I really don't know what happened during that time when I was filming, when I was just doing the intro. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.